Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a white screen on the application of Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you search for Chatbot AI Nova. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.